Hurricane Earl was born off the west coast of Africa late in August of 2010, quickly growing to become the fifth named storm of the season. Earl's path would take it up the eastern seaboard of North America towards the Maritimes. Seen on satellite imagery as well as from space, Earl was a huge storm, eventually intensifying to Category 4. Although it would miss the United States, what would be Earl's effect on Nova Scotia? The evening before Earl's arrival was pleasant and sunny in Halifax. At this time, Earl had already passed Cape Hatteras and was barreling towards Cape Cod, Massachusetts. By early the next morning, Earl's effects were already beginning to be felt, although the storm was still some 3 to 3.5 hours away. Winds picked up and heavy rain began to fall, but this was just the beginning.